up, y'all? Welcome back to another one of my videos, y'all. I am trying to stay consistent. Consistency will help with likes and subscribing to my channel. So go ahead, please keep your girl a little motivated, okay? So I can keep dropping gems and tips for the girlies, okay? So as y'all see from the title, this video is going to be how to install the Glueless Wig. I'm also recording content on one phone, and I'm also going to go live on TikTok. So the rest of this video will be a voiceover. I've had this hair for 3 years, okay? I'm gonna insert some clips with dates on them because I've had this hair for a while, and I recently replaced the closure not too long ago, so that's why it's a fresh closure on the install. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'm gonna show y'all how to install a glueless wig, okay? Let's go ahead and get into it. All units are made with a 5x5 HD lace closure, and they have these adjustable straps where you adjust them to your head size so that it gives it a little bit of extra security. So when you receive a unit from moi, it is going to come styled, pre-plucked, and ready to wear, where you literally have to do nothing but put it on your head. So first I'm going in with my Fit Bee Maybelline. I get this from Walgreens or CVS, and I make sure I dap it around on a flat surface, and I'm just spreading that on the inside of the unit. And before putting the makeup, the unit looked really natural, but now the lace is going to blend a little bit better with my skin tone. Okay, this step is really important because now we are cutting into the lace. I go ahead and cut in the middle, and I do one side, and I'm cutting in a zigzag motion. I am not cutting straight across, and I'm also cutting right on the hairline. As you guys see, a little bit of the hair is coming off, but you want it to be right in the middle of the hairline. You don't want it to be too much lace, neither do you want to cut it too deep into the hairline as well, and it's already giving natural. We only added makeup on the inside earlier, so if you feel like it's still just a little bit lighter and it needs a little bit more makeup, go ahead and add that on the outside of the lace as well so that it can blend a little bit better. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm just repeating that step again, where I'm just putting a little bit of the makeup right on top of the lace so that it just blends a little bit better. If you want to take an extra step and you feel like the lace is just still not blending, you can go ahead and get a little bit of mousse, a mousse of your choice, it doesn't really matter, and just put it on top of the lace and put it down with the band. Okay, let's get into styling. I know this is like really hard, but I am working on my left side in the video, and I'm making sure that the hair comes down towards the clamp, and I'm just spinning it towards my face, as you guys see. On the phone, I be telling him, yeah, 5 to go harder. And for the right side, I'm making sure that the hair comes out of the opposite side of the clamp, and I am rolling it towards my face, guys. Make sure you roll inwards. And another thing about curling hair, sometimes you just have to re-curl it again. Even me personally, I mess up sometimes and I have to re-curl the same piece again. And in this step, I'm just getting a rat tail comb and I'm putting a little bit more makeup on the part just to define it, if you guys can tell the difference. And as y'all see, she's 100% glueless. You have to make sure that you know your head size when getting a unit because this ensures that the wig is glueless. Everybody does not have the same head size. Some heads are bigger or smaller than others. So you just need to make sure that you know your head size before checking out with a unit. And this mousse right here I'm using for flyaways just to not have the hair super frizzy, okay? And this is a close-up, y'all. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result of the glueless wig. She is 100% glueless. Okay. 100% glueless, y'all. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all, click the link in the description and go ahead and get you a glueless wig. If you're not a closure girly, I do have frontal wigs available as well. So until next time, guys.